April 30th, 2020. This is the last turnout before the lane. It's below all the plastic. You can somewhat see a path where the dried leaves are coming down, where it's filled up the hole there. You can also see where there's been drainage here, where there's like some type of hole opening up there, slippage, and the water coming down there. So there's two places the water is coming into this hole that's filling up and coming down there, putting pressure against the silt socks. And I'm going to come down here to see, and this is what creates the problem down where the waterfalls were. Now they've put covering up where it's hard to see because it's usually underneath, but oh, here you go. There it is. Make sure I'm trying to zoom in there to get this. See the bubbling underneath the silt socks coming from up there, and then it accumulates, comes down, and then that's where I recorded the little waterfalls down below. You can see the corridor and the sediment filled stream there. So the problem's still here. April 30th, 2020. Same problem's been documenting since the end of July of 2019.